Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a Tailored Life. My name is Taylor, and in today's video we are going to be cleaning my formal living and dining area. Now, I don't record in this area a lot because we don't spend a lot of time here. This is usually where we would have guests come, or we'll sit at this dining room table during the holidays. But unfortunately, over the summer, it has just gotten really messy with my boys being home. I'm showing you there's like food on the floor in here because they will come over here and play. They've brought snacks over here. Things have just kind of gotten put down over here. And I also have some items that my mom gave to me that need to be put away in this area. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started cleaning the formal living area, and then we'll move on into the formal dining area.
That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she...
So if you're new to my channel, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Taylor. I am a wife and a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 boys. This is my youngest son, Lincoln. He is a year old. He will be 2 in January. He spends a lot of time at home with me, and I also have a 6-year-old son, Jackson. On this day, Lincoln had decided that he would help me unpack this box of items that my mom had given me. And you have to excuse his hair. He has a lot of hair, and my mom tried to help me by braiding his hair, but he wouldn't cooperate and let her finish. It looks a lot better right now. But once he came home, I just didn't even want to bother him. I was like, oh, I'll get to it later.
You can't stop looking at her smile. Then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
Because Lincoln spends a lot of time with me, he does see me cleaning and moving the camera around a lot. So sometimes he will try to move the camera while I'm cleaning as an attempt to help me. So that's why sometimes in my video, if you see the camera shaking like it just was, it's usually because he thinks it's time to set up another angle.
I wanna spend the night with her, sprinkle one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head? Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love.
So I was recently gifted this handmade key hook. It is so beautiful. I am going to tag below in the description area the person who made it. It is made by hand. She's a local artist here, and I just thought it was so beautiful. I can't wait to hang it in my formal area. If you notice off to the side, I also have another picture that's been kind of hanging around the house that needs to be hung up as well. We are waiting for a handyman to come hang a lot of items for us. I am horrible with like measuring and hanging things correctly, and me and my husband, it will turn into an argument if we try and do it together, because he's like, no, go this way, and I'm like, no, go that way. So we usually just try and wait and let a handyman do it so that they are hanging correctly. So I'm hoping to have these up really soon. I have the key hanger that needs to be hung up. I have this picture over to the right, and I also have a mirror that needs to be hung. I actually have a couple of items that need to be hung, and I've just been waiting for the right time. Well, the right time and the right decision, because I'm still kind of moving things around in the house. I want to make sure that I'm like putting it in the right place.
Kiss a little harder. I wanna love out loud. Talk a little deeper. Kiss a little harder. Love a little louder.
So we are now working in the formal dining area, and this space is right off the side of the kitchen. So it has kind of become a catch-all over the summer, which it definitely should not be. Just a bunch of things have been getting like dropped off in this area that shouldn't be here, or we have a lot of things left from where we may have had guests over. Like there were some games, drinks and stuff left out that should have been put away or had a place made for them. But I also have some things that I just totally completely need to get rid of, especially on this bar area. Now, I know it looks like we have a lot of alcohol. We do not drink very much in my house at all. This is only for entertainment when we have guests over. My husband actually does not drink at all. He has never even been drunk or anything before. He does not drink at all, but we do like to keep things on hand just for guests. If there's anything that you do like to drink, we'd like to be able to offer you whatever it is that you do like, but we're not drinking this stuff ourselves, I can assure you. This corner, these items, I actually won't be taking them away. I'm just going to try to make them look a little bit neater. I'm not sure if I said this in this video already, but I am from the South Florida area, and we do go through hurricane season. So we do like to keep water and hurricane supplies easily available during hurricane season, because for us, the warning before a hurricane could just be a couple short days, and the stores get really crazy. So from the time hurricane season starts until a little bit after it ends, we do just like to always have like tons of water, all of our hurricane supplies easily available, just to avoid having to go in the stores with all the crazy people. I just buy my stuff ahead of time, and I keep a little stockpile in the corner to the side, so if there is an emergency, we have it all right away. If there is no hurricane, what we'll do is, instead of buying water once the hurricane season is over, we'll just start drinking this water and put all of our supplies away.
Baby, dance the night away, I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head.
And this is my oldest son, Jackson. He is 6. He's going into the 1st grade this year, but he has been asking if he can help me with my videos and help me with cleaning. So I let him come help, and now my youngest, Lincoln, he's at an age where he kind of just follows Jackson around. Whatever Jackson is doing, he wants to do. Even if he doesn't understand exactly what he's doing or know how to do it, he'll just kind of follow him wherever he goes. It's so cute.
Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
On the run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind. Pride, I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me and keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head, don't feel much back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you look like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
And now we are all done. This area looks formal again. It looks like it's ready for some guests to come over. I'll probably just keep this area pretty tidy, but I will give it another deep clean before the holidays, well, before fall season. I'm going to start decorating for fall towards the end of August. So I'll give this area like a really good clean and dust to make sure everything's prepared before I pull out any decorations. I love decorating this area because this is a part of the house where I can put the nicer things, like really nice decor, without worrying about the kids breaking it. But I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.